It won't go on 4 minutes. It won't.
Of course it will.
It did.
Maybe it goes on 420.
Yeah, 420 plays it.
Come. The timer goes on 420 and then we find the game. I smell it. I smell it. Oh, 415.
Until we get to the game, yeah. 420.
Yeah, now it's 420.
What? Well, hey, I'm Umbrian.
No.
Maybe. Though I play.
You've got the right stuff.
Ooh, that was scary about. I
Let's
pissed
do
myself.
this.
Don't make the monkey angry.
Oh.
What the fuck?
What
The fuck?
Where
Gross.
are you everyone this time?
Welcome to the cringe.
Oh no, she got away.
Kill the monkey. Haha.
I got him.
Fucking
I have
monkey.
many people on my ass. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh.
Mercy, mercy, mercy. She only died through the turrets. It was the death triangle. Hey,
You all in the butt.
your turrets are so OP, man.
In the
sun is
butt.
Heal me, heal me, heal me.
To heal.
Oh shit, I'm dead. Oh.
Killed the monkey and the reaper with my boob.
Yeah, I got the kill
Even
as
I
well.
started
Thank you very
singing.
much.
Yeah. Overwatch, the musical. 2017. I didn't see it.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What the fuck is going on? And
Reaper just flew everywhere. I died anyways.
Ah, thank you.
Whoa,
I'm
mercy.
almost back.
Fuck you,
Almost
man.
back.
She flew into your...
let me get
Niet hier, niet hier, niet hier. Nice. Nice.
You're on.
Oh my god.
I actually wanted to buy her the golden weapon.
The fuck, the golden microwave.
I was like, la 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 la. Oh, what?
What the fuck are you doing there?
Wait,
What?
wait,
I
wait,
wanted
wait.
to do
wait,
it
wait.
as well.
The fuck?
Hey,
What the
Meister.
fuck?
Run very low, run very low.
My rank card.
Anna's nearly dead.
The Pharah is very low, Pharah dead.
Yeah, she's
Oh my god, I need you!
You don't kill my Lucio, you stupid bitch.
I'm dead.
The Pokemon trainer is at my side.
He's a Pokemon trainer? I thought he's a Pokemon.
It was like,
I'm dead,
oh my
I'm
gosh,
sorry.
really dead. Oh, I think Winston jumped into it too. Nice.
Fuck, I'm dead. But I got Anna.
I tried.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
I pushed the Anna down. What the fuck?
Oh, what the fuck is going on?
You know that I died
Fucking
4
mad.
times already in this round? I don't know what's happening here. Like,
Nice!
Oh my god. Ah! Reaper behind. Oh. Oh.
You mean
Never
he's
mind.
almost dead?
Yeah.
You mean he's dead?
Oh, this love was so mean, man.
There's someone behind. I don't know
Rip.
where,
Oh
but
my.
I always get killed so fast.
Oh, I'm dead now.
Like, so fast.
I'm coming, no.
I don't
Run out
think
solo,
I
run out
can
solo.
Stay a minute yet.
Lucy very low.
Almost dead. You see, I'm dead again. I didn't make it a minute yet in the point. I just died.
Fuck, I need heal.
Killing me, shit.
Just microwave, just microwave.
Microwave
She
them
microwaved
all.
me.
Oh my god.
They are microwaving too.
Okay, just
Yeah. He killed us. Indeed.
That's so mean. They copied our strategy.
Oh, they put the teleporter.
It was so bad.
this.
No!
Where is she?
That's a Metra!
Teleporter's outside.
Help me! Inside Symmetra!
She's dead.
No, she isn't.
No, the Pharah is dead. The Pharah is dead. The Pharah is dead.
Kill the Symmetra. Kill the Symmetra.
Metro's
Yeah.
dead. I'm dead.
Symmetra comes on the point, care. She's very low. She's very low.
Ah,
That was
okay,
so
got
close.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice, guys. Nice. Kill the monkey.
Beware the Pharah.
Pharah's coming in, and Lucio is in. She's dead. And Reaper's on the.
Nice one, Dre.
He was.
Yes, and
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice, Metra.
Very nice.
I don't think I
get
will.
inside.
Don't
Get
do that.
inside.
Minutes in there.
Get inside, bitch. Come on, get inside.
Do it.
Oh,
You're so bad, man. What the fuck?
Oh, you got off it.
Well, never mind. Let's go. Oh my god, this monkey is
Oh,
focusing
Reaper's
us.
on my ass. Oh shit.
They have Genji. Lucio 1 HP.
Lucio dead.
This monkey just going crazy for me.
The enemy monkey's nearly dead, but I need to go. Die.
Pharah very low.
He is so going
Oh
to
shit, oh shit.
Got her.
Shit, shit.
Got the Pharah.
Oh, hello.
Ah, I got him.
I'm dead. I thought
I died though.
Lucio low. Lucio low.
He's dead.
Nice. Actually, Pharah and Symmetra is a very nice combo because I can shoot them down and you can end them.
And you're healing.
I got you. I got you.
I need healing! Oh fuck! They have a soldier, they have a soldier. I need heal! I need heal!
Oh, you guys.
everyone needs a heal, yeah.
Yeah.
Genji, fuck you. Seriously?
I pushed him away from you.
Keep me, I'm a fucking Symmetra, motherfucker.
Motherfucker! What the fuck? You pushed it right into me.
Come here, bitch. I'm gonna kill you.
Nice, guys.
Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. I'm gonna kill you, bitch. Okay, running away.
Raging Symmetra running behind you with a microwave.
Ah, fuck. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. Ah.
Got you.
I'm the monkey on the top.
I am the Pharah who joins the monkey.
Oh my
I'm
god.
the Pharah. Monkey problem.
Shim is on his way. You need to
I don't know
It's
how
okay, I'm
I'm...
killing
stay
everyone.
alive.
I don't
What?
know how
Dre's
I'm
killing everyone. What the fuck?
Ah!
This Symmetra. This Symmetra.
Come here,
There's
bitch.
a Reaper. Oh, I couldn't see him.
Come here, bitch.
GG.
Yes, we won.
Oh my
What
god.
a game, what the fuck.
Very nice.
I died 10 times. Don't copy me, bitch.
Ah, damn it, fuck.
I'm sorry.
What the fuck did you do?
I don't know. Oh, this was funny.
Seriously?
I mean, this is funny, isn't it?
It is.
Yes.
Look how many eliminations.
This Symmetra.